Lately I've been trying to make videos using VFX. As you can see, my latest edits. If you haven't watched it, you can watch it on my Instagram, or you can get into my YouTube channel. But this time I tried to make something way more bigger than everything that I have ever done before. Because this time I will try to remake a whole scene from an MV by myself, and honestly I don't know how we'll end it up because I'm a really beginner with Blender. So well, come with me to this journey to make this scene. Well, once I get the idea that she will be in a forest, now I need to look for inspiration, and for that I get into Pinterest. There you will find the most of the time the inspiration that you are looking for. So well, after looking for some forest pictures in a river, get the idea and how it will look to the scene that I try to remake. So to have a clear idea and how it will look, I decided to take out my Picasso and start drawing the whole scene. After put all my heart in that drawing, this is how we ended up. How can I be so talented in everything? Okay, no, but this just helps me to have a picture in how the scene will look. Once I have the story and an idea how it will look, now it comes the part of editing. And the first thing to do was to make that little bridge where she is. And to be honest, I'm nothing near to be a professional in modeling in Blender. This was a really challenge for me, but I decided to take it and make it through it, and I think I did a great job. Come on, it is not that bad. So well, now the next thing was to make the forest. So first thing first, I need to make like a plane with the river in the middle. Then I had to add the trees, and I modeling one tree and some others I don't learn from internet, and then I add some grass. Well, for the background, of course I couldn't do that much of forest because my PC will some more little details on it, and of course I couldn't forget about the river. And well, making that little river there was a seriously pain in the ass. But luckily I made it. I don't know how yet, but I made it. Then lights, and well, we ended up with something like this. It looks so cool, right? Yeah. Just added Lisa. Now we are ready for the animation. To animate it, it will be a basic animation from point A to point B in a dry way. Well, for the render I decided to let it a whole night and see how it looks in the morning. Well, once I check it up, there were some things that I didn't like, and I decided to fix it and render it again. It took 4 hours to render just 2 seconds of animation. Total, I waited like 8 hours just rendered it that. Well, I think it was worth it. And now we just have to drag all of this to After Effects. Okay, a part that I almost forgot and I think is really important is editing the audio. And well, for this one I had some problems choosing which one I was going to use. And of course I can show you how the audios will sound because they will take me down the video, but it was between Stay from Justin Bieber, also it was Call from Maroon 5, and the last one that it was Heatwaves that I ended up choosing that one. I chose this last one because I think it fits more in the idea that I had with the story of the edit. For the sound of the scene, I decided to go to the forest and record every sound that I want, from the trees and the grass, also the water and the birds. Not really, I just looked for it on YouTube. Here on After Effects I decided to edit a little bit more, like some things that I didn't know how to do on Blender I did here on After Effects, and some other things I did because I think it will be cheaper in the way of time that it will take doing in After Effects than doing it on Blender. now there was a question going through my mind, like, what will be the transition from one scene to the other scene? So that's when I get inspired from the same MV. It's Jenny, where she covers her eyes with her hands. So I'm gonna do the same thing, but instead of the transition that they made, well, I'll do it in a transition that I want. And this is how we ended up. I think it's a really cool transition, and I think I did it really well. I just grab a hand that I find online, then I turn it on black, then I put some blur, and then just duplicate it and try to make the other hand and animate it, of course. And there is the hand transition. At the end of the day, I decided to edit one more scene, and it's this one. I really need more scenes from the forest, so I think why not this one? And I think this was kind of a little bit hard since it is a video and I have to just record the part where Lisa is like moving. So I have to synchronize the moving of the camera from the MV to the camera of the forest. And well, it took me a little time, but I think at the end of the day I made it, and I think it looks great. And well, one last scene that I made was when she's like in the floor with some plants. I changed that to the forest that I made. This one, it means a lot for the story that I'm trying to make here in this edit. And it was like that memory of happiness just lives in her memory. So that's why I made that scene, and I think it worked out well. So now it was moment to edit all the edit together, not only the forest parts, but everything. So I put everything together, edit all the scenes, all the parts, made transitions, everything. I did everything. And well, at the end of the day, after a huge work, I finished the whole edit. And this is the result. Enjoy it.